like live. Hi, hello, namaskara, everybody. Welcome to this lovely Saturday evening. This is Spotlight Saturdays with Shubharam Productions, and my name is Amar. That's AMAR. I'm more than excited to be here because first of all, I got a chance to get out and party just like how we used to do it before. But this time, it's gonna be through the virtual medium. But party is a party, Alva. And to party with me and to party with us, we have a very pretty lady because party is never complete when there's a guy. No, there has to be a pretty lady to fill in the combination. So we have a very pretty lady, very smart, very intelligent. One, you would have seen her on screen. She's a rock star when it comes to being on the stage. And recently, she's someone who met the big boss too. Yes, we have with us the one and only Chaitra Vasudevan.
Thank you. Oh my God, so much of energy in the room, and you know, after such a long time, I'm getting to come on stage.
Correct.
Second thing, you know, listening to your introduction. Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction.
Correct. Quarantine early, we had all these energy like, bundled up. So just letting it loose right now. So before we get started, I just want to ask you this. Big boss, big achievement or a big experience itself. But I'm sure you would have got a lot of questions. Like, is it scripted? All that. So I'm not going to bore you with those questions. We'll come to that later. But first thing, Big Boss voice is amazing. Howda Alva?
How?
Correct Alva. So the minute we say Big Boss, his voice, which actor comes in your mind?
Big Boss, especially Big Boss Kannada, I cannot name any other actor except our very own Kannada, the Abhinaya Chakravarti, Kicha Sudeep sir. So I will remember him. But after Big Boss, when we were in the finale, I actually saw the person who speaks, you know, his voice. He gives his voice to Big Boss. So I know who it is.
Okay.
But that's a secret. We're not supposed to reveal it. But
No,
I know who it is.
But you can tell us, nobody's watching. I promise you,
No.
nobody's watching. You tell me.
No.
Sorry, okay, we'll come to that later. So now, before coming to Big Boss, obviously you should have achieved a lot. It's a known face. Aurne karskonತಾರೆ. So you started as an anchor, then an MC, then a lot of stage events, let it be audio launches, movie launches, and then Big Boss. How did this journey start?
I was always a super energetic kid right from school. So I wanted to be an entertainer. I wanted to be on stage. So right from school, I wanted to achieve something. See, there was this incident at home. So we are all girls, like me and my sister. So my dad always wanted a boy and, you know, to be with him. So I wanted to be as cool as a boy and achieve something really big. So I was just figuring out what can be done. And I know that, you know, I have a good stage appearance, or probably I can charm people, like, you know, by my speech. So I started from school. And then after schooling, when I was in college, I wanted to make money. I wanted to do something. I wanted to, you know, achieve my dreams and pay my fee by my own. I didn't want to ask dad. So, you know, I went to an audition. There were about 200 people in the queue and for a music channel. And I got selected. And after that, my journey started. I never knew I'll end up here. So as I said, once I joined a music channel, I was a VJ there. So from there, I got promoted to another music channel. They called me. So I worked there for 3 years. And I was a mechanical engineer. So I was studying alongside doing my part-time. So
mechanical engineering and a girl. So you would have had a lot of fan following in your class for sure.
Actually, I did not give much time in college. I was just this studious person, go do the studies, studies-wise. Like I wanted like good marks and good name. So I used to study really well in college. Otherwise, I was on stage even in college. Otherwise, after college, go to my live show. So every day I had my live.
So celebrity back in college days itself.
Yeah, maybe kind of. I don't know.
Superb.
But I was not so famous. But any event, any stage activity, I'm there.
Superb.
So after that, I started getting a lot of offers from a lot of brands, a lot of projects, a lot of channels, movies, serials, and all of that. But I took it carefully. I wanted to be an anchor. I didn't want to act or, I don't know. That was not my cup of tea. So once I finished, my engineering, I quit the music channel because I was getting so many offers.
Wow.
So I just took it up and I'm still going in the way,
Lovely.
going with the flow.
So anchoring has always been your calling.
Yeah.
So when we were doing all this, like, when you were doing anchoring, then you got this show on Colors, Ondu Cinema Kate, right? That was your talk show.
Yeah.
So Nim, surely you do a lot of things. You make celebrities do a lot of things.
Yeah.
So when we are the host, we usually do make them do this and that. But at times we feel like, this game, I should be there and I should be playing that game. Anta ansiruttalva. So which game did you want to play yourself?
ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ I will lose.
No. You should have a favorite game of yours, Asha.
I always like asking these rapid fire questions and they get so confused and they don't know what to answer. So I was always thinking, if I am in that place, what would I answer?
Superb. So we'll try and probably put you in that place today. But before that, my second part of the question is, now you said the one that you like about, like, in case Neve host marbekare, that is the game that you liked and you wanted to be in that particular fireside chat, you want to be in the fire round. Then, which was the game which you didn't want to be? Ayyappa, I don't want to be in this particular game. If I am a celebrity or a participant, nanige matra ee game aadisbedi. Andre, what was that?
Maybe testing IQ, because see, even if I know a lot of things, in keda takshana answer madake, it's really difficult because I take a lot of time to think what the answer is and answer. So I don't like IQ question answer round kind.
Okay. And there's one more thing which people don't like when they come to your show. Id madistira anta. They're very scared. If they give wrong answer, you make them do something.
Nothing like that. See, I'm very sweet. I've always been sweet with all the celebrities.
No, but you make them drink something.
Oh, that is like, it depends on the, see, we do it according to the script and the movie. So there was this movie team which came, this is the blockbuster cinema, Love Mocktail. So we wanted to match with that, so I gave them a mocktail.
So I have a mocktail in my script.
Okay.
So we have something for you today. So adenandre, yes.
So guys, this looks like either beetroot juice or grape juice.
Illa, eradu alla. Wrong. Anybody wants to guess what this is? We'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it is.
Don't tell me.
Bangalore weather gave one of the best drink. Coffee shots.
Oh, okay.
So coffee kurdak chanagirutte, but coffee shots agidaga I don't know how it's going to be. So what we're going to do is, you make everybody play when they come to your studio and your game show. So we're going to make you play a game.
Okay.
So it's going to come up on the screen and we want you to guess this song. So for every song you will get 5 seconds to 8 seconds. Illa antandre, we have the coffee shot ready. So we are ready. Hope you are ready too. So coming up on the screen.
But you know what? I actually missed my bullet coffee today. I usually workout ginna munche I have that. So I'm okay drinking.
That actually now heng mix ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. One shot, after you have it, you will know whether you're going to like it or not.
Oh my god. Okay.
So yes.
Yeah, I'm
All
ready.
right. So here's the thing on the screen. So what you have to do is, we're going to give pictorial representation. Nam famous Kannada hadu mix ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ and we mix some Bollywood songs too. So what you have to do is, you have to look at the picture and guess which song is that and tell me the name of the song.
Oh my god. I'll tell you the truth. Kannada, you ask me anything. Hindi, I don't know.
I'll help you. I'll give you a little bit of clue.
Okay.
And they're all famous songs. So don't worry on that. And we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ready for you. So hope all of that will be bottoms up. Nodona. And in case if you answer all, then I'll have 1 shot.
Okay, done.
Deal.
You
Challenge.
If I answer all, you should drink all of that.
Not all. One. Ati ase bada. Just one. Let's see first if you get to answer this or not.
Yeah.
So do we have it on the screen? Yes. So you have to see and let us know which song is this. This is a Bollywood song. It's Bollywood ido.
So difficult. Nam Kannadadavurge Kannada haad kelbeki.
First
Hindi
round
ella
alva.
kelidrak baradillappa. Okay.
First round alva. So I'll give you a clue in this. So if you see the 2 first pictures ಇದೆ alva, that is auntie. Next. So ಹೇಳಿ You will see auntie and auntie. Yes.
I know the song.
Yes, tell me, fast, bigger.
I know the song.
5, 4, ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
I know the song ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
One second. Ready guys? Get ready.
Others also can guess
Close your
in the
ears.
meanwhile.
Get ready to close your ears, okay? Auntie G, get up and down.
Yes, superb. Done. Very good. So, but this is just the demo, so we kept it very easy. So now,
What do I get?
round of applause. Chappale. Okay, superb. Next, coming up. Next, even you guys can guess and put it. Illa, illa, illa. This is very easy.
Without
This is
give
very
them
easy. Either again, this is a Bollywood song. Okay, on clue ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This is Hrithik Roshan song.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
Almost. ಅದೇ correct. Almost. Correct. Almost. Anybody else guessing it? ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. It's pretty easy to guess. You can just like ಅದು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. That will become the song.
ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. ಚಾಂದ್. So ಸಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೂವಾಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Fool. And then the last one is perfume. ಖುಷ್ಬು.
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹಾಡು ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So I'm sure all the
It's here,
Hrithik
it's
Roshan
not
fans
covered.
are like, you know, crying out loud saying like ಚಾಂದ್ ಸಿತಾರೆ ಫೂಲ್ और ಖುಷ್ಬು. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಸಾಂಗು? ಕವನ ಪ್ಯಾರ್ ಹೇ ರೀ. ಇವಾಗ ಕರೋನಾ ಪ್ಯಾರ್ ಹೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕವನ ಪ್ಯಾರ್ ಹೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Superb. So let's have some Kannada song guess ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Let's see. This is a challenge. ನೋಡೋಣ. So and the meanwhile, even you guys can guess it and let us know.
Not Kannada.
This is
I
Hindi
like
one.
this song because I listened to this and run on the treadmill usually.
Okay, ಇದೊಂದು guess ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸಖತ್ ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚವಾರ ನಟಿ
Yes.
ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ
ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ
ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Yes, she's my college senior.
ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಹುಡುಗಿ. Absolutely. So this song, I know you know the answer to this, but we don't want you to just say it out. So we want you to do that famous step of this particular movie and tell. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ. Yeah, simple. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So 1, 2, first ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm giving you the answer. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 get on the dance floor ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Actually music ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We are just getting started. The party is still there.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಶೆಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
So ನಾನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Come on, I'll sing for you and you dance for us. Like,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 get on the dance floor. Superb. Lovely. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. We're just getting started.
Okay.
So we will take it slow. All right, next coming up on the screen. So let's see ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So let's see it. So even you guys can guess and you've got 2 right, 1 wrong.
ಇಲ್ಲ
you didn't.
I won't guess ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay.
I gave you a chance.
Okay. Thank you so much. ಇದು ನಂಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದು. So we will just try and see if we'll have a Kannada song coming up. So in the meanwhile, so while we get the next pictorial representation and when you guess this song, which is your favorite song of all time?
I like all party songs. Like I'm not very specific. I like house music. So anything which has a lot of energy, I love those songs. I don't like sad songs. Love
House music, like party music.
Yes.
So I thought actually with the name like Chaitra Vasudevan, you were like, you know, Carnatic Sangeet and like, you know, very melodious song anta.
ಯಾಕೆ
No, I was just thinking that way. Allah. I just thought like, you know, it's got that very melodious, very Carnatic sound to it. So that's why. So yes, we are back in the game. So now I want everybody to guess this. E song nimge ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So ನಮ್ಮ Kannada song. So it's in your turf. Let us know which song is this. You have 5 seconds. Okay.
ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್
ಎಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾರ್. Yes, absolutely, that is correct.
Yeah.
So ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. We have to give it.
Actually ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅಮರ್ one shot because I'm answering everything you told me.
You missed the second one. Ad ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. So ನೋಡೋಣ last end ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So I think we have one more coming up quickly. So idna nodona if Chaitra Vasudevan can guess this song coming up on the screen right now. And she was talking about her favorite music. So let's see. Yeah, this should be very easy. Sakat easy alva idu. I'm sure everybody will guess this. Yeah, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. Come on, this is pretty easy. I'm sure even you know this. Everybody who's been in love has heard this song. Now, famous Kannada song. This is one of the most romantic songs of all time. Yes. Okay, nan tune helbiಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll give her a small hint. I'll hum the tune for you and let's see if you can read it. I'm a very bad singer, so let me just try it.
No.
There you go.
ನಂಗೆ ಹಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಡು.
Super. I think we have one last one. Let's see if you get this or not. So and then we'll move on. So here we go. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್. Okay, I'll give you a hint, but you have to take a shot. Only after you take a shot, I'll give you the hint. Here you go.
One second, you give me the other one.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So come on, we've measured it for you. So she has to take this. Amar, where is he? Okay, so you have to guess this. Okay, I'll give you a hint once you have the shot. Come on, 3, 2. Time aitu. You have to drink it. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Cheers. So once more, Kirtira. Okay.
I like this.
Superb.
Yeah.
So we can't taunt her with this. She's gonna gut down the others too. So I'll give you the hint as I promised. It is Namma Upendra's movie song. Kannu. Ori Kannu.
Hey, Mari Kannu. Ori Kannu. Okay.
Yes, superb. Lovely. So with this, Paragila, she is actually one with flying colors. 95%. Only one she didn't get it. So pretty good.
One, I left it to you. I'm always a winner. I left it to you to answer.
I'm touched. I'm so touched. Thank you so much for that. See, this is what happens when two anchors meet together. We complement each other. Wow, superb. So moving on quick, we have a lot more questions to ask you. So one is, we've spoken a lot about your journey. You spoke about anchoring, but there are so many flavors to you. Like when we look at your Instagram, it's very colorful, and I'm jealous of the number of followers you've got.
Hey, I worked hard for it.
Yeah, while talking about working hard, you do a lot of fitness videos also, Alva.
Yeah.
So adbage hedi. So what do you do? What kind of fitness do you do?
I got collaborated with a fitness brand. So to match up to the standards, I was a brand ambassador for the brand. I'm not supposed to say it, but because of that, I wanted to.
Secret.
Yeah.
This is you after putting on weight?
No, I'm actually I put on
Thank God.
during the lockdown. I'm in a process of reducing it. So I always wanted to have like that. So I'm doing a lot of things. So I do HIIT, I'm doing gymnastics, MMA,
Oh,
everything.
superb, lovely.
I do a lot of things. You know, that's the person who's gonna trouble me later.
Any volunteer? Sorry, Namgondo, just show us one thing, no?
No. I don't want everybody to get over impressed. Bitaki. Then I also do cycling.
Okay.
Then I do weight training. I do a lot of things, you know, just to keep myself and my audience entertained. I do it online. I mean, I make up videos and put it.
Super, lovely. So, which is your favorite type of workout apart from like whatever you said?
I like doing HIIT.
Okay.
I love doing dance.
Uh-huh.
I love dancing.
Okay.
Any sort of dance because I'm a dancer.
Note that point, Your Honor. Dancing coming soon, very soon, very soon. Yes.
Yes. So I dance a lot. So I used to dance. I used to train a lot of students.
Okay.
I was there.
Okay.
And
Lovely.
I've been a dancer.
So one fitness tip or one fitness position or step that you can show us so that even we can get healthy like you. Tips ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಏನ್ರಿ ಕಂಜೂಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? One tips. No?
Okay.
Yeah.
So for all of them, I think you don't need it because you are absolutely fit. So
Thank
all of
you.
you, in case you want to reduce your double chin or the roundness of your face, it's very simple. Wherever you're sitting, you can do this.
Okay.
So all you have to do is you
Okay,
need to
we'll
suck
do
up
it
your
right now.
cheek.
Okay, we'll do this right now. So everybody do it with us
Activity,
right now. So
yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
You can burn minimum of 13 calories. Okay.
Okay, by doing this.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
You need to suck it up.
Okay. So I think I burned like
That's
6.5 calories there.
Okay.
Huh.
And the other one. Roll up your tongue.
Okay.
Look up. Look down. Look down. I'm sorry getting that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these two. Practice this. You can do it anywhere. And you
We-
can look thinner. I mean, you can get that flaunted jawline.
Absolutely. During this lockdown also you should do this. Look up, look down. It'll help you out.
Yeah.
Easy workout at home.
Yeah,
Superb.
yeah.
Lovely. Okay, now coming back to the conversation that we were having, we did the part that you don't like the most or people don't like the most when they come to your show, that is drinking something that is not that tasty. But now coming to the good part that you like. You said you like the rapid fire round in your show.
Yeah, but
So right here at Spotlight Saturdays with Shibaram Productions, with me MJ Amar, we're gonna have the fireside chat, the rapid fire round with Chaitra Vasudevan.
yes.
So we are ready.
Hmm.
So I'm talking about me and the audience. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Are you ready?
Yes, we are. So here we go.
Hmm.
So a couple of questions will be like 2 options. So you have to choose the option, and then probably I'll give you an open-ended question. So here we go. And very quick, huh? So
Yeah.
if you take more than 5 seconds, coffee shots. Actually,
Okay,
not 5
ready.
seconds, 3 seconds.
Okay, ready.
So here we go. So let's play the rapid fire round with the lovely Chaitra Vasudevan. 3, 2, 1. Black or white?
Black.
Morning or night?
Night.
Home or outdoor?
No. We are done staying at home.
Yeah, even I was a very, homely person. Like after shows, I'll be at home, but now I just want to get out.
Yeah.
So actually, my mom used to send me out to get this groceries and all. When I was like, when lockdown was not there, I would say like, no. And now I'm like, Ma, do you want milk? Ma, do you want coffee powder? Let me just go out and get it. Yes. Secret. Yeah, I know. Tell them one more time. Yes, please. Note this point, Your Honor. So I'm going to get good dinner at home. Okay, moving on with our rapid fire. Yash or Sudeep?
This is very difficult. Sudeep sir.
Sudeep, okay, super. Yash ಅವರೇ sir ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ
Hey!
next time when she meets you, remember this.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Rocky bhai,
Hey!
ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Rocky bhai, you know about me. You know Radhika Pandit ma'am. You know.
Radhika, this is
To
for
my
you also.
wedding too. You can't. This. Hello. This is not a question. You delete this. Okay, next.
Okay, superb. MCing or anchoring?
Anchoring.
Superb. Car or bike?
Car.
Gym look or glam look?
Glam look.
Favorite hero?
Shivanna.
Heroine?
Radhika.
She
I
full
swear.
compromise
No.
Yash ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
You know-
So she said like, Radhika, so that like, it's reconciled.
I've
there.
attended 100 interviews. Everywhere I've told the same name because they're in my heart.
Okay, no more questions on that.
Hmm.
Okay, very important question. Bollywood or Sandalwood? Okay. Next, one thing you can't live without. Food. Okay, which is your favorite food then? One hand fitness. Second hand pani puri, bel puri.
That's what I'm managing.
Balance.
That is difficult.
Actually, correct. Same here, like chicken biryani and workout for 2 hours, combination done.
Yeah.
Super. Next, moving on quick.
Tomorrow morning you're free, yeah?
Ah,
6 o'clock I'll have mutton biryani, kal soup and neer dosa. To come. I'm telling you.
but why
waiting.
at 6 o'clock in the morning? 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, let's see. Cool, thank you. Next, moving on. One thing you miss right now during this quarantine and lockdown period, one thing that you miss, apart from going out, of course.
My friends, because we used to hang out a lot and, I've been video calling them. So I miss all of them. And most of them are abroad. So I'm waiting for them to come back and meet them and all of that.
Okay, quarantine check and then let them come back. Okay, next, one thing you learned during this lockdown.
I cannot name one thing. I learned so many things, and I started reading Bhagavad
Wow.
That is one thing I actually do. Because
Superb.
I never read a book before in my life. And maybe
Same here.
I have to read something like that.
The only book I read was Agatha Christie's some book, 2 pages. That is because I had joined this college. I was very fresh. I wanted to be impressive to the girls, so I would just go in the lunch break and pick up
What's
and
your
come
wife's name?
back. Next
What's your
question,
wife's name?
please. Next
You're
question,
watching,
please.
no?
Yeah, she's watching. Okay, moving on. Next question.
Yeah.
Favorite food?
Pani puri, bel puri, masala puri, tikki, aloo tikki, bel puri, whatever you do in
They're
cha.
not food.
I like that is food, yeah. What
They're fast
evening?
food.
What will you eat? I'll eat only that.
Okay, fine, cool. Okay, favorite place?
Favorite place, as in inside India?
Anywhere. Favorite place? Country, place, city, town, home, gym, anything.
Maldives.
Maldives.
Yeah.
Okay, superb. Favorite memory in Maldives?
A nice picture. I got such nice pictures. So one of my favorite pictures from there.
Superb. Favorite person in the world? One person only.
My
5, 4.
sister
Okay. What's her name if you could know that?
Chandana.
Okay. Superb. Lovely. Now, given a chance, you would switch lives with which celebrity or idol or person or personality? Switch life. Who would you switch life with?
I like myself.
Superb. Lovely. Next.
I would switch into a better version of me.
Okay. Lovely. Very, very interesting answer. Now, very interesting question. Married life or life before marriage? Once again, I think we missed out that. Exclusive premiere.
Don't worry.
Oh my God.
And don't worry,
Chaitra
nobody-
Vasudevan ne ye kaha.
Nobody from my house will be watching this.
What did you say? So once again, loud and clear.
Yeah.
Married life or life before marriage?
Married life.
Beep, buzzer sound. Wrong answer. Here you go.
Hey,
Nah.
How do you know?
Because you said the different answer first. So no changing your answer. Yes.
No.
Yes.
See, audience, you, just see what he's.
Everyone is saying yes. I can
No.
hear it out. Yes, here you go. Here you go. You change your answer. So there
I'm
you
not
go.
going to sleep, I think, tonight.
That's okay. Anyway, you're gonna wake up early for mutton
Increase
biryani.
my
So
caffeine
that's
intake.
all right. You're gonna wake up 6 o'clock in the morning for your mutton biryani. 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Superb. There we go.
Enough. This is the last one. Then I'll start working out here.
Superb. That'll get more views. All right. Last question.
Yeah.
This is not a rapid fire round question, but this is something that everybody wants to know, and especially when we have a celebrity in the house. What do they carry? What's in your handbag?
My handbag's there.
So
Do I
just
take it?
I'll take the handbag.
Yeah.
And we will just see what's there in her handbag, Anta.
So I'm safe today.
Here we go, exclusive premiere. We're gonna see. This is Chaitra Vasudevan's handbag. And let's just figure out what is in there. No, Dana.
Actually, you know what? I'm very safe today because I didn't carry anything.
Ah.
Usually I have everything in my bag because.
Okay. We'll do one thing. One small game, Dana. Let's play a small game kind of thing. So we'll give all the people who are watching us right now. We'll give you 5 options. You can just guess what's all there in that purse. And if you get 3 or more right, or if you get 4 right,
You get to
then
win his mobile phone.
you get to win. Yeah, my mobile number. You can win that.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll give you 10 seconds, and anybody can type in and let us know what do you think is there in her bag. Just a wild guess. ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು in her bag. So just a wild guess.
So
And
whoever guesses it right wins a mobile phone from Amar.
mobile phone box. I have the box of my mobile phone. You can get it. You can take it home anytime you want to. Superb. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1. Time up.
Right here, exclusive premiere for the first time right here in Spotlights. Yeah, Spotlight Saturday. See, this is what happens during lockdown. You get confused between what day.
I'll tell you what to do. Drink that. I think.
No.
ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ energy ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Spotlight Saturday with Chubaram Productions. Let's see what's there in Chaitra Vasudevan's bag. So let's see.
So I usually carry 2 phones. This is there in everybody's.
Okay.
I usually carry 3 phones, but today only 2 phones because no work, so one more phone is at home.
Okay. 2 phones. You might win one of that phone.
Yeah. Did anybody guess the phone? Right?
I think so. People would have guessed it.
And obviously, Corona mask. Usually I carry matching mask.
Corona pyar hai.
Yeah. So that one.
The mask. Okay.
So this is not matching.
All right.
And obviously, if you're a girl, I can't live without listening to music or talking
Okay.
so my AirPods.
So AirPods. So that's 3.
And
Like 3 items anta. If somebody's guessed it.
wallet.
Purse ಒಳಗಡೆ purse.
ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I'll make sure wherever I go, I'm safe. So if I'm lost somewhere also, if anybody finds my bag, they know where to put me back.
Super.
So everything is there. Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, everything. Okay. And
Debit
cash.
card, credit card. Ah.
Okay. Next.
Ladies' best friends. Eyeliner, kajal, mascara.
I'm going to give a task to Amar now.
What?
What is this?
Okay, kajal. Eyeliner. Okay, kajal.
Correct.
Ah, cool.
What is this?
Can you open it and show it to
No,
me?
no,
Like,
no, no.
Okay, can I?
No.
How will I know? It's like
Guys, you can see, what is this? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
that's what idu Nika. I mean the eyeliner.
Wrong.
Wait. Wait.
I've opened it, see.
Okay, no lipstick. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Done.
Okay. So
my
this is not lipstick. It's
my
a
wife will be proud that I don't know these things.
What is this?
Yeah, this is that mascara.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. What's your wife's name?
Pavitra. Yeah.
Pavitra, just make sure that you check him, at least check his phone. He knows everything what girls are using, so be careful. Okay?
Obviously, I am the one who buys it for her.
What is this?
Nail polish.
Nail polish ಯಾರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರ
Okay,
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
lipstick.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Okay, fine, cool.
Yeah.
Close enough. Done.
And last,
Hairpin. I got it right.
ಇದನ್ನ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನು. And I used to have a pen. I don't know. It maybe it fell down. I think.
Super.
That's it.
Nice. That's about it. So if you've got at least 3 or 4 items right, then I don't know. She's gonna give a gift or yeah.
So message on Shubharam Productions page. You might get lucky. I don't know. I'm not into this.
Superb.
Yeah.
But actually, well played. Superb. I think one of the best rapid fire rounds.
Yeah.
You gave all the answers right. So as promised, now that you cracked it, so I'm gonna have one shot of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. Cheers. And I'm having this only because you said it's tasty.
I like it.
Our tasty meaning kelbeko.
I like black.
Oh, you like dark stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, cool. Okay, it was.
I like black coffee, not dark stuff.
I mean, like dark chocolate, dark coffee, atra. That was very dark. Okay, for me at least. Fine, cool, done. Now moving on. You are someone who loves fashion. That we can see in your posts, the way you dress up. Especially your hairstyle is, instant hit every time that you come on TV. People comment about your hairstyle and all those things. So now, today what we're going to do is we're going to give you a model.
Okay.
And we want you to dress that model up and he or she should look just like you. Stunning. Illa papa. I don't think you will need scissor on this particular model. And we're going to give you some really amazing props.
Okay.
And we want you to make this model look fantastic.
Okay, done.
So ready?
Yeah.
So could we have the model please? Yes, there we go. Our very own man. There we go. Yeah.
I was thinking.
So there we go.
Yeah.
So and we're going to give you some really cool props. So ready for this task? So here we go. Your task your props are right here. So I'll keep it
I'll
here.
tell you what.
Huh.
I don't need any prop.
Huh.
Just put this here. And then
Nah. We want you to give him an entire makeover.
what do you think?
Yes, he's ready.
Okay.
Ready? So we'll give you props, whatever you want to use, you can use. So you can let me know if you need these. So if you give him a complete makeover. Come on.
I don't know what to do. No, you don't. He doesn't look like me. He's got hair.
That's okay. Just make him stylish instead.
Here's my southern slang.
Okay.
I speak it every day. I'm trying to get it poppin', each and every way. It's one nation on the goons. My goons are stripping all these cats down in the underrooms.
Premiere.
I think everybody will be losing.
So we have Chandra Vasudevan, the anchor, the TV personality, the Big Boss contestant, turned designer.
You know what?
Designer.
You know what? I'm a stylist too.
So demo here. We're gonna see a stylist and a makeup artist and a dancer, and we're gonna get a demo of dancing also in some time. So there we go.
Pocket. No?
Yes. अरे वाह. Designer. The model is very exciting. Any particular color?
Scissor.
Scissor ತರ್ಸೋಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕು ಇದು ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
Wow. What a designer. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ props ನ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Wardrobe malfunction happens in all the fashion shows. Not to
Is it
worry.
raining?
But don't worry, it's a family show. Super.
Yeah. So I'll explain what this is. So this is a designer sari. So this sari, oh yeah. So this is a designer sari. So it has a luxury belt. This is a designer sari with a luxury belt and some nice earrings. The hair is not matching. I have to dye this black.
Okay.
And some cool shades. And you should remove this now. Your specs you remove off. Yeah.
Now we can see him, but he can't see us.
Let it be there.
Wardrobe malfunction number 2. It happens. It's absolutely fine. This is behind the scenes that we are showing exclusive to you. But I think he looks really, really good.
Yeah,
so
just
here
do
we
this.
have the model, the summer model.
Yeah, just do
posing.
this.
You're going to do it like her.
Yeah.
Only hand is moving. But superb, lovely. You look really, really good. I think everybody at home will be like, so proud. And you look really, really cool. But, yes.
I'm going to take everything back now.
Yeah, you should take everything back. Lovely.
Is it poking?
Superb. Actually, in about 2 minutes, we had Chaitra Vasudevan actually give a little bit of a makeover. But were you happy with this makeover? You haven't seen yourself. You should go back and see the video clipping, and then you should be
You're
happy.
going to have it now after the live. I don't know.
I think he looks really good. So what do you think? He looks good or not? Everybody? I think everybody looks good here.
So I deserve a really, really big gift for doing so much in your show. So just keep this in mind, okay?
Yes. And we are all sanitized and we are maintaining social distancing, so
Yeah.
don't worry. So
Yeah.
here you go. So sanitizer rakondana.
Oh, 1 second.
So okay. So there you go. Social distancing, stay safe, and make sure that whenever you touch something, you sanitize. And
Yeah.
so here you go.
Thank you.
Superb. I think that was fantastic, and
Yeah.
a round of applause to you there.
Thank you.
Now moving on, we just did a nice fashion thing there. So 2 minutes al madidri, but when you're getting ready for your events,
You know, I am really fast in getting ready myself.
Mhm.
So I take 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Ask me for what?
For what?
2 minutes for hairstyle, 5 minutes for, 4 minutes for makeup, and 1 minute to wear my dress.
That's it.
Yeah. And after that, I take 15 minutes to come out. So admire myself in the mirror.
And all this selfies, pouts,
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
those
all of
things
that,
goes
all
on.
of that,
So
yeah.
that's where we see the Instagram stuff happening most
Yeah,
of the time.
yeah.
That's lovely. Okay, before I have a very interesting segment coming up next. So Adkinta Munche, just want to know, you're so close and you rub shoulders with a lot of sandalwood celebrities and stuff like that. Who's your favorite and some memories that you have with all these celebrities that you've met?
I cannot tell one name because
Yeah.
everybody is very close to me. A starting person, whoever's just into the industry, to the big names. Because I have this opportunity, I think I'm really blessed to meet everybody. So that's the kind of shows I've been getting. So in that way, who's very close to my heart, I think Radhika Pandit. She's really, really close. Because, you know, it was such a big surprise. She got yesterday my wedding and she was there and she said, you know, you're looking so cute and she's an inspiration. I like the way she carries herself.
Super.
No black marks, nothing in, so many years of
Career, yeah.
acting career.
Lovely. So now whenever people come to your show, a gossip ondirutte because you make them leak out a gossip or something comes out. So if we have to know one gossip about Chaitra Vasudevan, what would that be that people don't know? 3 things.
Actually, especially after Big Boss, I think everybody knows everything. I actually, I'm a small kid at home. Like people outside think, you know, I'm very matured and very well behaved and all of that. But at home, I'm like a small kid running around, talking in that voice and, you know, being like that. So that is me.
Super talkative. Ad gottira vishayane adu actually. Okay, fine. And also we know that you're a dancer. So why we have the stage? You haven't danced in a long time. So why not 2 jhalak of yours where you can just teach me a step to dance? So but I think any song we can just play. And by the way, just to let you know, even I'm a dancer. I'm the world's most dabba dancer. I dance really bad. So it is going to be a tough task for you to teach me a couple of steps.
I think we can easily pull this off.
Okay, fine, cool. So we'll have some music, or you just give me a dance step or 2. Yeah, no, of course. Kutkon dance madadal maja barutta. So here we go. So come on. So I'll do like namaste.
Play some nice.
I don't know. Anything. Something nice, yes, of course. Should I do that?
You know the step.
But still, Guru, you teach her.
ஏண்டா எங்க போற என் அன்புக்கு நீதாண்டா ஆளு வந்து கட்டிக்கடா என் உடம்பெல்லாம் காயது பாரு
புள்ள தமிழ் தெரியாதா ஹிந்தில
Once again, da.
You do, I follow.
पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ
इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor booty shake tapang to hardcore show
hit the party hit the
gimme 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 some more
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
Super. Actually, my favorite step in that was this one. I'll tell you why. It's so hot in here. Every time I did this, I got some breeze. Superb. Chaitra Vasudevan, the anchor, TV artist, Big Boss contestant, designer, and now the dancer.
Chalo.
Mutton biryani. All this for that mutton biryani that you promised tomorrow morning. Superb. Okay. Before we go on to the next couple of topics, we'll just like talk about how Solpa about COVID-19, the situation for media industry is a little, suffocating. How do you see this?
See, because of this pandemic, because of this infection, I think the whole, it's not Bangalore, not just our state, not just our country, the whole world, the whole mankind is affected, and everybody are like, living like in that zone where, what's tomorrow? We don't know what's tomorrow. Not only because of the pandemic, it's also because of our economic crisis. So everybody's facing it. It's not just one small vendor or a big businessman. Everybody's facing this economic crisis. I think if you actually see it in the other way, one way good. We are, taking a break from a monotonous lifestyle.
Positivity.
And I think Mother Earth is getting a lot of, that free time for herself. We've thrown so much at her, we pollution or whatever we're doing every day. I think 2 months, it was a detox kind of a thing.
Correct. Starting it was pretty good actually. It was okay, much needed change and all those things, but then it got too monotonous.
See, there are 2 sides of life. So I'm just hoping that nobody's affected. During COVID, I've been associated with a lot of these donation drives. I did a lot of donations to the CM Fund, and COVID Warriors, Sandalwood COVID Warriors, and I also went to the donation drive to do some distribution.
Super.
So I did my. Not only that, in case if you guys are around, we are still in the crisis. So you can put some food to the animals around your house, your dogs, or the dogs on the road. So you can do your bit.
Superb. Yes, that's lovely. So moving on, we have a very interesting segment right now. So it is called Bollywood versus Sandalwood.
Mm-hmm.
So where we have a game. So ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ very simple. We will take actor's name. So I will say a Bollywood actor name. You have to tell a Sandalwood actor name. So let's see who runs out of names first.
Okay.
But while we're doing that, we have a task also. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, let me get this. It's sanitized. Here you go. You have to keep inflating the balloon and tell the name. So in the end, let's see who's got the bigger balloon and at the same time who says the maximum
Jujubee,
name.
this is for me. Jujubee.
Bring it on.
Okay, ready.
Okay now.
Huh.
So let's go. So I'll say first. So let me start with Amitabh Bachchan.
I need to tell the name and then
Yes,
do it.
yes, yes.
Rakshit Shetty.
Okay. Abhishek Bachchan.
Puneet Rajkumar sir.
Aishwarya Rai.
Shivraj Kumar sir.
Hrithik Roshan.
Yes sir.
Rakesh Roshan.
Raghavendra Rajkumar sir.
Ajay Kumar.
Chiranjeevi Sarja.
Kajol.
Dhruva Sarja. The actor or actress.
Anything. Actor, actress, both.
Then it's more Jujubee for me. Okay, continue.
Okay, this is taking break. You can't do this. Okay, fine, cool, done. So now I'll continue. Alia Bhatt.
Rachita Ram.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Sonu Gowda.
Ranveer Singh.
Chaitra Hedji.
Ajay Devgan.
Sudeep sir.
Um,
You need to blast
Hrithik-
this. This is done
No,
now.
no. Are you? Let's see. ಯಾರು ದೋಸ್ತ ಓಕೆ ಯಾರು ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ನಂದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದು
ಇನ್ನ ಗೇಮ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಪಡುಕೋನ್.
Somebody said something. No, no, no. I was just waiting. One second.
Yes, yes,
No, this
yes,
is distraction.
yes, yes.
One second. We'll continue it.
Okay, we'll give one more chance. Cool. Come on.
Audience, I think this Amar is getting he's getting too rude. He's distracting me in the middle and then asking me to play the game. This is
Rude.
not fair. Continue.
Innocent face and rude. Okay. Fine. Let's go with.
Out.
Hey, you gave it to me, so I have to start off again. No.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ
ಇಲ್ಲ the names.
Put out all the
The names. No. We're going to. So whoever bursted is the winner. But you have to keep giving the names also. You can't just keep blowing it. Ready now? So let me continue and say Karishma Kapoor. You have to say the name. Yeah.
But I think
Okay, so who's the winner?
me.
She took a lot of pauses. Okay, we'll do one thing. Balloon beda vaga. Like that only we'll have a panga. I'll keep saying names, you have to keep saying names. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Kareena Kapoor.
Kushi Ravi.
Shahid Kapoor.
Milana Nagraj.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Sonu Gowda.
Alia Bhatt.
Sudeep sir.
Deepika Padukone.
Yes sir.
Ranveer Singh.
Puneet sir.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Rakshit Shetty.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Raghavendra Rajkumar sir.
John Abraham.
Shivanna.
Hrithik Roshan.
Rachita Ram.
Ajay Devgan.
Ashika Rangnath.
Kajol.
ಸಾಕ್ ಬಿಡಿ.
Okay, actually, even if you'd have said a name right now, I wouldn't have been able to come with another name.
I was just
Yes!
there.
So it's okay. It's right there, 50-50. So congratulations. So
Now I'm getting so many names.
I know, even for me the same. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, but then suddenly it was running out. So now we know when we have our guests playing and talking, so they'll be under pressure ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Correct, absolutely. So there we go, superb. But you've got the bigger balloon, so I think she is the winner.
Yeah.
So there we go. And it's always nice to let the guest be the winner. So that's a lakshana of
Hello.
a good
I'm
host.
not taking this like easy, this thing. Yeah.
Superb. So it's
Bye,
been...
bye.
No problem. Thank you. Anybody, the winner, game who could guess what was there in her bag gets this personally inflated balloon
It has
by
my-
the very own Chaitra Vasudevan.
Yeah, it has my breath.
Yes, ಅವರ ಗಾಳಿ ಉಸಿರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Alright, so just a couple of more questions. ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟಂತ, your air is there. Love is in the air. Chaitra Vasudevan's love is in
You
the
know
air.
what happened? Everyone was fighting. I want that balloon. I want. So, you know,
Correct.
it was
Virtually they're
justice to
already-
everybody now.
Correct.
Yeah.
Actually, the balloon which is bursted is mine.
Correct. Cancel that. Yeah.
Superb. All right. Now, on stage, off stage, TV, because anchor's life, media person's life is very extravagant and ontara maja irutte and it's full of fun. But I'm sure there'll be some experiences, some fun, interesting, or some experience that you would like to forget or something like that. What is your most memorable experience on stage or on TV while anchoring or emceeing?
Probably my first event. So my first very event was event come my stage, my first TV appearance. It was from Raj Music. So that time CCL was launched.
Okay.
So my first ever celebrity, my first ever show, everything was there. It was Sudeep sir. So he came to me and I was so nervous because I was not an anchor. I mean, I was still learning and I got such a big opportunity. So that is my favorite memory.
Lovely. And next, any tips for the youngsters when it comes to about anchoring, stage mein heg mataradu, anything, how to hold the mic, how to hold the stage, how to carry yourself?
Look who's talking.
No, I'm just like, learning is always good.
Actually, I just put it up on my Instagram for those of you who are interested in event management, who wants to become an anchor. A lot of people message me, especially after Bigg Boss. They look up to me and say, you're an anchor, you're a successful anchor, tell us what to do. But actually, everybody are in the process of growing. So everybody is learning. Every event is a new one.
Correct.
So, to be very frank, nobody supported me. Nobody believed in me. And, it was so difficult for me to start off. But, trust me, support yourself, believe in yourself, and you will go where you have to go. So if you have a goal, you will reach that. So don't care if nobody is believing in you. Just make sure you study if you're studying, or do your work life and follow your passion, and make sure you're giving your best. You have to be your own support system, and you will be, here one day. Somebody interviewing you, making you, getting to know about you. And, for those of you who want to be an anchor, an MC by profession, I think you should be very knowledgeable, fully loaded all the time. Make sure that, you make sure that whatever is happening right now, be it the social media or anywhere, whatever is happening, make sure you're fully updated, first thing. And learn a lot of languages. Don't stick to one language. Okay, I'm good at this. If you're good at a language, make sure you learn more words, learn new words every day. And make sure you're updated. And also, stand in front of the mirror. If you're starting, stand in front of the mirror, talk and check, record it and probably check and correct that. So, and whatever, start off small. So all of us started small. So my first salary for my first show was about 350 rupees per hour.
Wow.
And that was a big thing for me. And today, it's, I don't want to... No, I've come so far, but I feel really happy because that 350 rupees was also very important for me. So don't think that, okay, I'm getting very little from whatever effort I'm putting in, but your effort will be noted someday, somewhere. Somebody is watching you, so you will grow. That 100 rupees or 200 rupees, what you're getting now per hour, it will definitely grow if your hard work is, into it.
Correct.
So make sure
Which car are you driving now?
Yeah, okay.
There is a link up to that. Which car are you driving now?
I have a Jaguar X.
So she drives a Jaguar, so you can know from the 350 where she, you can do that small bit of mathematical calculation, Alva. So we'll also get there.
But I work for 365 days, day and night.
Absolutely. No, I'm just saying, because the minute you would have said 350 and now people would have calculated. So that's why I gave them that hit, like, Jaguar Gadi. All right. So now let's get back to the big thing, the big boss that has happened in your life. How was it in the house?
It was claustrophobic, first thing, because I'm a person, like, I'm really good at stage. I can be friendly, I can talk. But, starting, I'm an introvert. I take a lot of time to become friends with someone because that is me. But professionally, it's different. When we go on stage, we just talk to everybody. That is different. But as a person, I'm like that. So it was difficult for me, but I overcame that. So I think that was the biggest gift Bigg Boss gave me. So I overcame that and made friends with everybody. And Bigg Boss is like a magical house. So you don't know what's happening when. But I came out in 2 weeks. But I think, the love I got, the response I'm getting even till today after I came out, I think it was unimaginable. I never thought I'd get so much love from so many audience. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you all. Love you.
Super. So usually you get a lot of love when we're on stage. We get a lot of compliments. One compliment that you've got, let me right from your emceeing days to college days. Your corporate, emceeing, your corporate anchoring, TV anchoring, and Bigg Boss. Which was the most amazing compliment that you would cherish for a long time?
Everything. See, getting compliment itself.
You know, you wouldn't have even imagined that they would compliment about this particular thing or something like that.
And then there's no particular person. Yeah, I can tell this. When I was I was hosting Shreya Ghoshal's concert. So that before she came on stage, I had to cheer up the audience. And I'm her biggest fan. I love her voice. But she complimented me backstage. She said, "Your voice has so much of strength. You have that bass voice. I think very few girls have it." And that was I was like, I was just stuck like that. So I'm like, "Thank you so much, ma'am," and all that. So that was my best compliment.
So we're almost coming to the end of the show right now. So a couple of pointers we'll get from you. One thing that you learned from Big Boss.
To be patient.
To be patient. And one thing that you would like to tell the audience, like, you know, that you learned in Big Boss which helped your life that they could use in their life, apart from being patient and stuff.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Everybody has to know cooking. Whether you're a boy or a girl, small person. I mean, if you're a kid, don't try.
I
But
think during lockdown, everybody learned that.
yeah, I learned cooking. I mean, I knew how to cook, but I got specialized in it. So
did you cook during lockdown?
yes, I did. I did.
Did you like it?
No, I don't like cooking, but I like helping in the kitchen. I like eating.
Super. And what else? Concluding lines before we end the session.
To all of you in the event management industry, the event managers and the people in the media, everybody who supported me, I never thought I'll come here one day. You know, everybody who's given me an opportunity, a stage, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, I'm always a flexible anchor. I'm not like, okay, you give me this budget, I'm going to work. I'm not like that. I'm always flexible. So, you know.
Next time you're trying to hire a friend around, yes. Good one, there we go. Post-COVID especially.
But not too flexible, it's just here, okay? So yeah, to all of you who believed in me, actually you are the reason I'm here today, because you know, if nobody given me a chance, like if nobody would be like, okay, come do an event, this is a small event, do it, that starting, that hand, you know, I wouldn't have come here. So thank you all, and don't worry, we are all in this together, we are all in the same boat, we are all sailing together. So if all of you, especially the newcomers, the MCs who are starting now, if you feel that, okay, I don't have work, there are so many people who are source of income for their family. So don't worry, if you have anything, you can always reach out to me, help you, and we have so we can put you there and give you more leads. So I think, don't worry, we are all suffering together. So we'll all come up. So don't worry about the COVID situation. Come out with flying colors, keep working hard, make sure you don't waste a single minute, keep learning new things, and support your family, be with your family, and also balance your work life or your education with your passion.
Super. While ending the show, we usually end it on a high note, but I want to end it on a controversial note.
Why?
No, I just want to ask you this. Who did you want to be the winner of Big Boss 7?
Sunny Shetty.
Of course, he won. So apart from him,
Me.
this is not controversial. This is a very diplomatic answer. So that is Chaitra Vasudevan, and thank you so much for being out here. But end Padakinta Munche, we started with a little bit of energy, so I want us to end also with a 1, 2, 3 steps.
Again now.
Yes, no, the step up in there.
Okay, done.
3 months we haven't done any workout, no dancing and all. So this is Spotlight Saturdays with Shubharam Productions and ending it with
Island it. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, live on Facebook. Hope you like this live. With RJ Amar, this is MC Chaitra Vasudevan signing off, and you were live watching Spotlight Saturday with Shubharam Productions. Thank you. Gottilla. Same song.
ஏண்டா எங்க போற என் அன்புக்கு நீதாண்டா ஆளு வந்து கட்டிக்கடா என் உடம்பெல்லாம் காயது பாரு
புள்ள தமிழ் தெரியாதா ஹிந்தில
Once again, da.
पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहां
we're going to have DJ Prem and DJ Sai. for Productions.
Namaskara.